In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take Squarespace website offline. This is useful when you need to temporarily hide your website from visitors. You may be working on updates, preparing a redesign, fixing content, or simply not ready for the site to be public yet. Squarespace gives you a built-in way to control whether people can access your website, and you can choose between making it password protected or making it private. I will walk you through the process slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Open your web browser, go to Squarespace, and sign in using your account credentials. Make sure you are logging into the account that has access to the website you want to take offline. If you manage more than one website, take a moment after logging in to select the correct site from your account dashboard. This helps make sure you are changing the availability settings for the right website. Once you are inside the Squarespace dashboard for your site, you are ready to move into the settings area. The dashboard is where you manage most of the important parts of your website, including pages, design options, billing, permissions, and site visibility. For this tutorial, we are focused only on the setting that controls whether the public can view the site. Next, navigate to Settings. You should see Settings listed in the main menu of your Squarespace dashboard. Click on it to open the full settings menu for your website. This section contains many different controls, so take your time and look carefully through the available options. You do not need to change anything else here. You are only looking for the setting that controls the site availability. After opening Settings, select Site Availability. This is the area where Squarespace lets you decide whether your website is public, password protected, or private. It is an important setting because it directly affects what visitors see when they try to open your website. If your site is currently public, anyone with the link or domain can visit it. Changing the site availability allows you to limit or completely block that access, depending on the option you choose. Now you will choose how you want to take the site offline. If you want to hide the site but still allow certain people to view it, choose Password Protected. This option places a password screen in front of your website. Visitors will not be able to see the site content unless they enter the correct password. This can be helpful if you want to share the website with a client, team member, or reviewer while keeping it hidden from the general public. If you want to hide the site entirely, choose Private instead. The private option makes the website unavailable to regular visitors. This is the better choice if you do not want anyone outside your Squarespace account to view the site while you are working on it. It is a simple way to take the website offline without deleting pages, changing your design, or removing your content. Before saving, pause for a moment and make sure the option you selected matches what you want. Password Protected still allows access with a password, while Private hides the site more completely. Both options are useful, but they serve slightly different purposes. Choosing the right one depends on whether you want limited access or no public access at all. Once you have selected the option you want, click Save. This applies the change to your website availability settings. After saving, Squarespace will update the visibility of your site based on the choice you made. If you selected Password Protected, visitors should see a password prompt when they try to access the site. If you selected Private, the site will no longer be publicly available. That is the full process for taking a Squarespace website offline. You log into your Squarespace account, open the correct website, go to Settings, select Site Availability, choose either Password Protected or Private, and then click Save, and that is all there is to it.